Good afternoon, everyone. Here we go again. And today I'm going to show you how to identify keywords and signal words to improve the listening comprehension. Keywords and signal words are very important because they help us to better understand spoken information and filter out important details. Here are, for example, some tips and tricks. Quite important are the conjunctions and transition words like but, however, moreover, nevertheless, and in contrast, because usually these words, what they do is that they signal a change or an addition in information. For example, if you hear the sales increase but the profits decrease, the word but here signals an important contrast. Listen carefully to emphasis, so die Betonung, and to the pauses, the pausen in the speech. Important information is very often emphasized or highlighted by pauses. For example, in the sentence, some believe it's a good idea, others are not convinced. You have realized I have made a pause before others. And that's because that emphasizes the contrast. Some typical keywords to watch out for are time indicators, like today, yesterday, or last week, quantifiers, like all, some, or many, and the opinion words, like believe, think, or consider. For example, if you hear many experts believe that climate change is a serious threat, the word many signals the significance of the statement. And that can be one of these trap questions, so die Fangfrage, die wir schon erwähnt haben. Because if you are in a multiple choice exercise, for example, and one of the options is all the experts agree that climate change, blah, blah, that's not going to be the right questions because we heard already this many, and many is not all. Another thing that we have to look out for is summarizing words, like to summarize, overall, or in conclusion, because they are going to help us to understand the main points of the speech. For example, to summarize, the new measures were effective. The phrase to summarize signals the conclusion. And that's also one thing that we can usually find in the multiple choice exercises, although they can also be useful for the short answers questions. So I hope that these techniques will help you in your listening exercise. Like always, if you know anyone who could profit from this series, please send the video to them, tag them here. And of course, you've got all the information, like always, in the description section of this video, together with the link to my book here, the book from Starbeck Verlag, and the Bildungsserver. I really hope that you have a very nice evening and good luck with the training. Bye.